So how to use FAMILO Find My Find Locator app. It's quite a handy app. It's one of the alternatives for Life 360 or some other apps out there. Its family GPS locator lets you stay connected with the people who matter most. This app is a Find My Phone app where you can see your family and kids. So it's a very popular niche these days to have this app, and it's very handy, especially with kids, a family. And the idea is that you just want to know where they are, if they are safe, and stuff like that. So this is basically a real-time family locator on the map. Know when family members arrive or leave. Panic button for emergency location sharing. Communicate in a private family chat. Low battery consumption. Very easy to use for kids and parents. Each user decides who can see their location. FAMILO can be used anonymously. So yeah, you can just see 360-degree view of your family's safety. You can choose when and for how long you want to share your location with family. Intelligent places, automatic notification when kids arrive and leave their daily places. Panic button sends parents the child's current location so they can offer help fast. Check in multiple groups, chat, and all of that. So this app is not like again so hyped up as Live 360 app and some other apps, but it's still quite good. It has quite nice reviews, over 3,000 ratings, and definitely give it a try. So here's the app. You can just create an account in this app. When you just start to create your account, instantly asks you to upgrade, but there is also kind of like a freemium version with some limited features where you can just use it, but then you will need to upgrade for additional features. So how it starts, basically you just need to create a group or join a group. So this can be your family, your friends, your kids, like what you call it, and then just tap create a group. The group name can be like family, and then just tap next, and then show this code to your family members, for example, or and then they can just join this group, for example, and then you just add the phone number. So just add people from here, so you can just add like the phone number, and yeah, and then that's how you locate your loved ones. And then you can also add from contacts, to just allow from contacts, and then you can just tap start tracking, and then you will see their location, where they're currently located on the map, and their movements. So this is just basically how you operate in this group. You can disable your location to your group members, like only visible, invisible, places only. You can also leave group. You can also change this group photo from from your photo album. You can also add some notifications. You will find the group's notifications from here. And yeah, so that's basically what it is. Then you can have chat, so you can just chat with your loved ones. You just can have like a group chat, and yeah. But then if you wanted to try some other features, it just opens up this screen where you need to unlock all access, and you need to upgrade. And you can see that 12 weeks is like $40. 1 week is $12. It's not that cheap, as you can see, but that's what it is. The one thing like I don't like is that this screen is actually blocking everything, and you can't just avoid it, so you just need to upgrade. So I don't know if that's actually allowed by by App Store or whatever. It's like this is kind of like a gross hack for them. But yeah, there is a freemium version of the app, so why would you just block it? So yeah, here you have your profile, and then again you just have your group. Then you can also add places, like you can add places like let's say work or home or kindergarten, school, summer house, whatever. So you can just get at these places, and then you will know when when someone is at that place or arrived at that place, depending on their privacy. So if they set up their privacy to just be available at the places, then they will only appear there. So yeah. You just basically need to play with this app. It's super easy to get started and to understand. Um, and then, yeah, that's basically how you track someone. There is chat, then there is just group settings, and then you can change again your location mode from here, from the groups. Members of this group can always check my location. Group members can only see when I arrive or leave a predefined group place, or then there is like a members of this group can never check my location. So that's how you set up your privacy and you set up your location mode to specific places. And then you can just add all these members, and people can join your group when you just share the code. So yeah, and then you can also check in yourself. You can just go to specific location, and then it will just track your location by by GPS, and then you just enter in what you're doing. Then you can just add who is with you now, and then this app will automatically fetch who is nearby you, and then nobody is nearby currently, and then nobody else is in this group. So you can just add it like that, and then also you can add an image as well, and then that's basically the idea here. So that's how you check in, or some other member of your group or family can also check in from here like that. So that's what you can try here as well. So yeah, pretty straightforward app. Basically, also you can change the overviews, the satellite option. And right now I'm kind of using an anonymous account. You can just start using this app even without your email to try it out. But then if you want, you can just add email if you want. Alert notifications, FAQs, you can always send feedback. Premium profile, as you can see, it's not that cheap. You need to pay $40 for 12 weeks or $12 for 1 week. I'm just quite curious. Like you can see, there are some other apps in this category. Just curious if actually Live 360 is cheaper or not. So you can see Live 360 app is 1.2 million reviews. And then yeah, you can just tap sign in, or but yeah, whatever. Like a lot of people like a FAMILO app as well. It's a good alternative, I would say. So here you can see all the different plans here as well. So basically, I'm not sure. All these apps are kind of a bit more on expensive side, as you might use them a lot, and they are kind of sometimes quite important. Especially, you just want to know where is your family is located and all of that. So this is not something you want to compromise on. So therefore, yeah, these apps can be quite handy. But there you have it. So then you have all these groups. You can leave the group easily if you wanna. You can just manage it, and that's what it is. Hope you liked this just very quick overview, just to give you a very brief idea of this app. I actually, I like it. It's very straightforward. You can also delete your account from here easily. It's not that advanced as Live 360, but it just does what you want to do. Very super easy to start. There are no very complicated advanced features, and there you have it.